Need a last minute gift? You can make these amazing lip scrubs with just a couple ingredients you're guaranteed to have at home. To start, we'll need sugar. White granulated sugar is probably the most common in scrubs because its crystal size provides a good amount of exfoliation. But you can use any other types of sugar, even salt, although it won't taste as good. Pour in 20 grams of any vegetable oil you'd like. This is a 4:1 ratio of sugar to oil, so it's a good starting point, but you can add as much or as little oil as you want to get the right texture. To make a brown sugar scrub, you can follow the exact same steps. This gives you a crumbly, easy to use scrub that softens and hydrates your lips. Because brown sugar is high in glycolic acid and it typically has larger crystals than white sugar, it can provide a deeper level of exfoliation and also works well as a body scrub. These are great options if you need a gift but you're out of time and you've only got access to a few ingredients. But if you want a show-stopping sugar scrub, then I highly recommend making this Plumping Peppermint Lip Scrub formula from goodformulations.com. It's emulsified, scoopable, and plumping. And right now, you can get 15% off this Plumping Peppermint Lip Scrub formula using my discount code FESTIVE15 until the end of the year. But if you want something that's a little more beginner friendly but still impressive, don't worry because this next DIY sugar scrub is creamy and only uses a couple ingredients. Start by mixing oil and butter together. In this case, I'm using cocoa butter, but you can use any butter you have on hand. By adding cocoa butter, we can imitate some of the textural ingredients used in the Good Formulations Plumping Lip Scrub. We're still missing quite a few ingredients, but it will have a creamy and easy to apply texture. Once melted, allow the liquid oils to cool until it reaches room temperature, but hasn't solidified. This is an important step, otherwise the hot oil will melt the sugar and become more like a soup than a scrub. Pour the oil over the sugar and mix thoroughly, so that each grain of sugar is completely coated. At this point, the scrub has a fluid and loose consistency, but as the cocoa butter begins to solidify, the scrub will firm up over the next couple hours. When you compare this creamy scrub with the previous sugar scrubs, you can see just how much texture variation you can get by just adjusting the ingredients. But we can go one step further to make these DIY scrubs extra special. To give this a festive boost, you can add peppermint essential oils that not only have a gorgeous smell, but also create a tingly sensation on the lips and adds to the exfoliation, as well as adding in some blue or green food coloring to go along with the fragrance. And if you're really into the peppermint theme, you can try making my candy cane body butter recipe, because it really has that wow gift factor. When it comes to color, a little goes a long way with these scrubs. But with a little creativity, you can turn 2 or 3 ingredients into these incredible looking lip scrubs that are perfect for last minute gifts. Remember to check out both my candy cane body butter and gingerbread lotion bar tutorials if you do want some more last minute gift ideas.